Hello friends, this is Sharmi from the Amateur Gardener. Today we are installing a very large arbor, an arch for our evergreen clematis. I'm going to take you through it. I got the arch from Home Depot. It's from Achla Designs, and it is like a 2 feet wide, 100 and I think 14 inches tall, and it's a pretty big arch. It's made of wrought iron, so hopefully it should not rust. And I wanted something nice and big for the clematis because it's supposed to grow pretty tall. It grows to, like, I think some of the tendrils they said grow to like 20 feet ish tall. So let me just take you there and we'll try to take you through the installation. Yeah, there is the arch. With right now it's on the ground. It's pretty huge. I don't know how much of it is coming across, but there are no like nuts and bolts except for these two bolts, one here and one on the other side in the middle. Okay, let's take you through it and then we can talk about it later. The place where it's going to go, it's kind of here. It'll be like a segue from this roundish bed to this tall, long patch. This is like a 3.5-ish, 4 feet wide bed, and it's going to go like somewhere here. I have a whole bunch of toad lilies here, which suffer a little bit over the summer, but they spike right back up in the fall. They're doing awesome now, but I think they will also benefit from some shade. I'm going to plant it like here. I have a stone crop here. I may keep it. I may decide to move it somewhere else, but for now it's okay. But I'm going to plant it in this location. If I have to sacrifice a few toad lilies, I'm fine. That's just fine. They'll just come back. Okay, I'm going to put it from the like at the towards from the wall to across the walkway, and it'll go somewhere like close to the walkway in the grass. So this is how it looks. It's a huge arch, like really huge. We'll be planting the climber now, and then I'll share with you how it looks. This plant is a climber with a lot of tendrils, and it took me a while to unentangle a lot of the tendrils. It had been sitting on my patio for about a week and a half, And in that time, it had like there were multiple areas where it had kind of swung around itself multiple times and created like a mishmash of a lot of tendrils, and I had to gently parse the little branches so as to cause minimum damage. Okay, so that was the Clematis Armandii. It's the snowdrift variety. So I hope to enjoy it over this huge arch for years and years. Let's see how it does. This area gets morning sun till about 11 a.m. and after that it's in shade from the house. So hopefully it'll do better. And also as a side thought, the little patch of, it's getting larger, of toad lilies that I have here, they suffer a little bit in the months of June through August when we get really, really hot here. But I think they'll also benefit from this little bit of shade that we get from this plant as this plant grows taller. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll keep producing more videos. We have quite a few things planned up today, including fertilizing the whole garden. So I'll try to share with you as and when possible. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.